To the drop of a hat.
And yes, it can and it does often in Colorado. What we're watching is a big change from yesterday. Our cooler and wetter weather pattern is here to stay for a while. We have snow continuing in the mountains and we have cooler temperatures on the way tomorrow. We cooled off a lot today. We cool off even more tomorrow. So looking at our satellite and radar right now, a couple thunderstorms out in the eastern plains. There's a lot of cloud cover out there this evening and we still have some snow off to the west. But off on the northeastern plains, this rain and snow is so wonderful. This isn't severe weather. It's a great soaking rain. Some great moisture out there for a parched area of the state. Northern Weld County getting some light to moderate snowfall. There may be a bit of heavy snowfall in there. A little bit of light rain near Greeley right now. Downtown Denver, the metro area, we haven't seen much of anything, but there is still a chance tonight we get a little bit of moisture. Still have snow in the mountain areas. Doesn't look that impressive, but there is still some snow out there. And our future cast for tonight, we will see that chance of snow around the Denver area in the next couple of hours. It will be quick and it will be gone fast. We are looking at this to wrap up probably by about midnight, and then we have snow that will linger in the high country through early tomorrow morning, but it's gone early in the day. And then we do see some sunshine to start, get more cloud cover in the afternoon once again with more snow in the mountain areas, mainly in the northern and central parts during the early part of the day. A little bit of rain possible out east, maybe a few rain showers late in the day here in Denver, and then we continue to see some snow late at night in the southern part of the state. Otherwise, the rest of us really start to clear out, and it will be chilly out there on Friday morning. It is still very windy out there. We thought the wind would get a little better, and it did for a while today, but it definitely roared right on back. It is really gusty from Yuma through Lyman out at DIA down toward Alamosa, so we still have gusts well over 50 miles an hour in some areas, and because of that, we do have red flag warnings in place through 9 o'clock tonight, and almost these exact same areas will have a red flag warning again tomorrow. 44 in Denver right now. We went from being at 78 yesterday to 61 today, and then we have fallen in the afternoon even cooler to 44 right now, 54 in Boulder, 60s, 70s out east, 20s, 30s in the high country, 54 from Hope Bloom in northwest Castle Rock. And temperatures tonight, 27 in Denver and Boulder, lots of low teens in the high country, 30s out east, and tomorrow only 49. So we drop again another significant jump. 49 in Denver, 53 in Greeley, 50s, 60s out east, upper 20s in the high country. So it's a cold morning in the high country and it's a cold afternoon with that chance for snow. And tonight it's chilly on the western side of the state. Obviously the western slope we know is a really important area for all of our agriculture, and we have freeze warnings tonight and tomorrow night with lows that could potentially reach 27 below. So our farm, or not below, just 27 degrees in regular, but we are looking at a pretty rough couple of nights for all of our farmers out that way. And then Friday we go up to 53, chance for a little bit more moisture, and then we'll see another chance for rain on Saturday with 48 degrees and another cool one for us. So 48 in Denver, 40s, 50s out east. The eastern plains finally really cool down on Saturday, 30s, 40s in the high country, and then on Sunday 60, mostly sunny. That's kind of our break from the wet weather, but it's right back on Monday and Tuesday. We warm up a little bit, 60s and 50s out there, but we will see a good chance of rain to kick off next week as well.
You know, you were talking earlier about Saturday and it's a CU spring game. Deion Sanders is not happy about that 48 that you put up there.
You better get used to some 48 late in the season around here.
That's right. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going now.
I
know it's going to be too cold.
It'll still be packed with lots of people.
Oh,
yes, it will.
It'll be warm.
Yes.
Body.
Lots of jackets bundled up. Thanks, Lauren. Well, the Nuggets back